Welcome back, children. Once again, in my previous class, I explained to you about pronouns. I am continuing from exercise A, page number 27. Page number 27, exercise A. Complete the paragraph using suitable pronouns. Complete the paragraph. Using suitable pronouns. Okay. Now the passage has been given here. I am reading the passage. Children, okay. See, complete the passage, complete the paragraph using suitable pronouns. This one, what you do by homework by yourself. This one you do homework. Homework. You complete, read this passage and complete with appropriate pronouns. I am coming next. Learn. Learn. Now we will deal with subject and predicate here. These pronouns which I wrote on the board, they also are called subjects. So now here in the learning section we are coming. Page number 27. Read these pairs of sentences. I was praised by the teacher. Next one. The teacher praised me. Next slide. They won the trophy. The trophy was won by them. Okay. Now notice how I and they have changed in the second sentence in each pair. So here I and they have changed both these words or pronouns. Notice how I and they have changed in the second sentence in each pair. The pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, they can be used as subject or doer of the action. So here, see children, how these pronouns are used as the subject. They are the doer. See, I, you, he, she, it, we. They can be subject or doer. They can be subject. Subject or doer, one who does the action. One who does the action. It can be doer. They can be subject. Next line. The pronoun me, us, you, him, her, it, them receive the action and can be used as part of the predicate. See here, me, us, you, him, her, it, them. These can be used as part of predicate. So as it is given in the sentence in the above two sentences. Okay. So we have to change it. See, for example, here it is given. I am giving the example here. See, they won the trophy. For example, they won the trophy. See here how it is, the trophy it is changed. This one is subject, this one is verb, and then object. Okay. So here it is changed. Here how it is written. The trophy was won by them. Okay, so just it is written there, they won the trophy. The trophy was won by them. It is what we call it is active and passive voice, like that. So here just it is changed. So this they has become them here, and this the object has become subject here, and then subject has become object. This the trophy is won by them. So from here this becomes subject and this side becomes predicate. Similarly, the trophy becomes subject and here was won by them becomes predicate section. So that is it. So here we learn subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Okay. Now let us do this one exercise I will do now. Okay. Now, so exercise number B, you see, B exercise. What is there here? We have to use correct pronouns in the exercise B. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Now, 1, they and us have been given in the bracket. So, they are coming over 40. So, here they are coming over 40. So this is the correct one. Number 1. 2. Dash you and them are there in the bracket. You can come along with dash they and them. See here. You can come along. You can come along with them. So these are the two words. 3. So this is part of one number only. Now this is 2. Two number. Dash are going for a walk. So here 2 I and we are given. So we are going for a walk. The next line. Would dash you and me in the bracket like to join dash. Same line, 2 number. It will come under 2 number. Would you like to join us? So these are the 2 words. Likewise, it is given that children, you can complete here 3 and 4 and 5 numbers are there. So you can complete. Okay, below that. So I will again continue in my next class. Thank you.